Hello everyone and welcome back to another trading session. I take this trade as my first trade and this is a first, second, third touch breakout. And if I draw these touches, it would be first touch, second touch, creating lower low, and then the third touch is breaking that. So this is a valid setup for us to take, okay? Just like this one, see that? First, second, third touch breaking that. This sell would be the valid setup for us to take as a third touch breakout. In today's market, when I was observing, I see mostly breakout setups, okay? It's funny. Sometimes you see a lot of, some specific setup happens a lot of times back to back. Look at that. First touch, second touch, third touch, breaking that, and then boom. It's also starting with a gap down, starting from a round number, okay? So we see 3 breakout trades. Even this one, if I draw it correctly, look at that, how many breakout trades is on this chart right now. Look at that. All right, so first touch, second touch, third touch, all of them has this lower low. First touch, second touch, lower low, and then the breakout, and then first touch, second touch, higher high. For the buy, we need higher high, so takeable, and then the one we took right now, first touch, second touch, again, lower low, breakout, okay? Of course, we combine other reasons as well. We do not trade only based on one reason, all right? So this was my first trade. I'll keep looking. Nice little doji break, but since it's not in a macro, in a range, I'm not gonna take it. All right. This is a beautiful QM trade. This is a beautiful QM trade. If I draw this QM setup, you see how clean it is, man. Today's market is so clean. Look at this breakout trade again. Another breakout trade, see? I will check the 3-minute time frame for engulf. If not, 5 minutes. We don't see 5-minute engulf, so I wouldn't take this QM trade, but it looks so clean. I mean, the market structure also aligned with it, all right? And also we have the supply area, which is touching it. And I'm pretty sure in lower time frame, we have something, but since we don't have higher time frame confirmation, I would avoid this trade. And I would say it's an invalid trade. It's another QM right now. Let's check the engulf. We have 5-minute engulf. If this candle closes as an engulf, there would be an opportunity for this QM trade. And this is the QM. High, low, high, high, and then lower, low. This is going to be my zone. Let me just try it. This is going to be my zone, but we need this 5-minute candle close first and see if this is engulf. Then I will take this QM trade. I will check the lower time frame and I will take it, right? I will check other pairs. All right, I think the candle closed as an engulf. Yes, see this engulf? It's 5-minute engulf. The price will come up here and then reject. So I will go to the 1 minute. We have the zone right here, and then if we go to the lower time frame, step by step, we will have the entry, and this is simply the entry. Oh, it doesn't let me draw. All right. So this is going to be my entry. And the green zone is my QM zone. Price will come up here, boom, and I will set an alarm here. All right, so this is the QM setup, and we'll wait for it to come up. Now I will just keep looking. I go with the buys right now. I'm expecting, price is really trying to create a double bottom, trying to change the direction. So this is just my prediction to give us a green candle. Yeah, that was a winning trade. All right, I'll just, the price eventually will change the direction. You see this hammer candle, it's inverted hammer closing at the previous support area, and it looks like a double bottom. So obviously we see some reversal movements, and price is already at the support area. It's broken, but it's trying to go up for this decision point up here, because we had this support area and now it's breaking. So the decision has made somewhere here. Price will try to go there and then drop again if that's about to drop. Okay. All right, do not take this trade as a breakout trade, because after the second touch, we need a higher high compared to previous high, okay? So this doesn't have higher high. So if you take this, you're risking too much. All right, this is a QM down here. Check the confirmation. We see huge engulfing candle. We see QM at the 1 minute. Let's just draw the QM real quick. This is the QM. Let's go to lower time frame and find the entry. It's going to be the entry. See that? So obvious. This is going to be the entry. I'll make it red. If I go to lower time frame, let's see if we can refine that. All right. We don't see, yes, this is the only entry. We're not able to refine that to this smaller zone. So I will just wait for it to come down. I take this buy right here. Huge gap down starting from the support area. This was also previously a QM, see that? Reacted from it. And I am really... this is not a bad trade at all. Okay, if we lose this, in case we lose this, this is totally a good trade, because we're at the support area. We're closing at the starting exactly from the support area with this huge gap down in the favor of buyers, and we see that the price already weak. This says already weak, so I would take this trade, even if that's a losing trade. That's totally fine with me. All right, it's totally fine. Market's trying to, you know, mess my mindset, but totally fine. This is a good trade. Let's see our QM trades. All right, it's about to come up. Oh my god. The first QM we marked, this one, already played out. You see how they rejected from the blue zone? And I don't know why we didn't get... See how it rejected from the blue zone, and we missed this opportunity, how accurate it was. It's totally fine. This is super uptrend, major and minor uptrend. I really want to take a buy trade on this kind of trends, since it's super bullish. Oh my god, let's see how crazy it moves. Another breakout opportunity, but we need to look and see what the trend is, what other reasons we can add, and then take the trade. Okay, do not take blindly. All right, we have a common point of rejection. All right, I entered right here at this common point of rejection. I'm expecting a rejection, and if we were about to break this, I will take a breakout trade. All right, so when you have a market and there's little rejections all over the place, you can connect connect the rejections and create a common line between all the rejections. Okay, common line between all the rejections. Preferably, it's good to have them in a supply area, or have somewhere that the market, that the market will react from. For example, in this one, and then take the trade. Okay, do not trade blindly. All right. All right. The market movement in this case is looking like this. Right. So we can expect a drop right here. All right. I take this trade right now. Oh, we have a better entry up there. I guess we could wait for this entry, and then I will explain why did I take this trade. Okay, so I took this trade based on the decision point, right? When we have a very respected support area and then it's broken, like for example, if you look at this area, it has been supporting for a long time, right? And then all of a sudden it's broken. So you would wonder why it's not reacting anymore, right? It's either the support line is weak now because all the buy orders has been consumed or mitigated, whatever you want to call it. And there's a reason for that, okay? So there's not any random movement in the market. If this breakout is happening here, there's a reason for it. And since market is moving between supply and demand all the time, we can go to the lower time frame exactly at this area, okay? And then find that reason for the breakout. If I go to the 30-second, this is the main entry. This is my entry, okay? But sometimes the zone is so big, like this, we can go to the lower time frame for refining the entry, okay? The refined version would be this one. Either way, it was winning trade. Okay, my entry was in this one, but if I was waiting for this one, it would be also winning trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, drop a like for me. This wasn't a bad session for me. The market was pretty good, right? I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.